To add your Discover card to Samsung Pay, you will need to have a compatible Samsung device and the Samsung Pay app installed. Start by opening the Samsung Pay app on your device. If you do not have it, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Once the app is open, tap on the menu icon and select Add Card. You will be prompted to sign in to your Samsung account if you have not already done so. After signing in, you will be asked to choose the type of card you want to add. In this case, a credit or debit card. Select Add Credit or Debit Card and take a picture of your Discover card using the camera on your device, or you can enter the card information manually. If you choose to take a picture, ensure the card is on a flat surface and the camera can clearly capture the card details. After capturing the card information, review and confirm the details to ensure they are correct. You will then be asked to verify your identity by calling Discover or receiving a verification code via email or text message. Once you have verified your identity, your Discover card will be added to Samsung Pay and you can start making transactions. You can add multiple cards to Samsung Pay and easily switch between them when making a payment. To make a payment, open Samsung Pay, select the card you want to use, and authenticate the transaction using your fingerprint, iris scan, or PIN. Then, hold your device near the payment terminal to complete the transaction. It is essential to note that you should only add cards to Samsung Pay that you are authorized to use. And always keep your device and Samsung Pay app up to date to ensure you have the latest security features. By following these steps, you can easily add your Discover card to Samsung Pay and start enjoying the convenience of mobile payments.